Thank you for joining me on Explore Northwest Arkansas. I am Angela Pernisco with Remax Real Estate Results, and today I am in Rogers at Lake Atlanta, standing next to the Frisco Spring. The Frisco Spring is also known as Pump Spring, and it supplied water for the St. Louis and San Francisco Railroad steam locomotives until 1888. In 1881, it was a stop on the Frisco line, and the steam trains needed a plentiful supply of water. So the railroad built a tower along the tracks and installed a pump along the spring. This is the base of that tower. The trail system around Lake Atlanta is about 2 miles directly around the lake. You could do a 4-mile walk if you wanted to take it all the way up to the rail yard up above. It's a beautiful, easy hike. It's great for kids and families and dogs. I have my Clementine and Abby here with me today.